Good morning, babies. How are you all? Good? So, new year is begin. Yes? So, let's start the day with the date first. Today's date is 5th January, and January is which month? First month of the year. Yes? 5th January 2021. Okay? And day is Tuesday. Day is Tuesday, and we are doing vegetables. What are we doing? We are doing vegetables. So tell me, do you eat vegetables? Yes or no? Yes, because vegetables are very, very healthy. We should all have green vegetables. Okay, so let's start. So can you see these pictures here? Which vegetable is this? Peas. This is peas. Okay, and these are beans, onion. Okay, tomato. This is potato, and this is brinjal. Can you see a crown here? Yes, and this is carrot. I know all the babies like this vegetable. Which vegetable is this? This is ladyfinger. Okay, and what are these leafy things? They are spinach. They are spinach, and they are very strong. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to write down their names. All right, so do it with me. Which vegetable is this? This is peas. Okay, so now what is the spelling of peas? P-E-A-S. Peas. Long sound is there, so A is not giving its sound. Okay, P-E-A-P or S. Peas. Next vegetable is beans. B. Again this vowel pair E, A, N, S, beans. Beans, beans. Okay, and then what is this? This is onion. If mama cut it, she gets tears in her eyes. Yes, so this is onion. O, N, I, O, N, onion. Okay, there is on, and on it will add I between, it will become onion. On, I, on, onion. Okay, now the next, which vegetable is this? This red vegetable is tomato. So have you heard that rhyme? Aha tomato bada majedar, lal tomato bada majedar. Have you heard that poem? Yes, so this is tomato. Okay, so what is the spelling? Let's make mat, ma, a, tomato, tomato, ta, o, ma, a, ta, o, tomato. Okay, now which vegetable is this? This is a potato. So the same spelling, only we have to add p. So o, potato, tat, o, potato. Okay, now this is brinjal. So b and r makes br, in jal, jal, brinjal. Okay, now, okay, do you like this vegetable? Which vegetable is this? This is a carrot. Which animal likes to eat carrot? Rabbit. Okay, do you like to eat carrots? Do you like to eat carrot? Mama makes halwa of it, gajar ka halwa in winters. Yes, this is a must thing we eat in the winter. Okay, So this is carrot. How to make spelling? K A R O T carrot. Okay. Now which vegetable is this? I know you like it very much. This is brinjal. Sorry, this is lady finger. L A D let E. Why? See, we are calling it here E. Why? Because we have got more than 2 letters before Y, so it is giving us a sound of E. Otherwise, it gives a sound of I. Okay, lady finger. F E N G finger. Lady finger. And this is spinach. This is spinach. In spin. H A C H spinach. Okay, so let's revise the spelling one more time. Peas, P E A S, peas. Beans. See, these vowel pairs are common in both the spellings. B E A N S, beans. Then onion. On E on onion. Okay, simple spelling. Tomato. T O M A T O M A T O, tomato. And this is potato. P O T A T O, potato. This is brinjal. Br in brinjal. Okay, now I know you know how to break the spelling. Carrot. C-A-R-R carrot. Ot. C-A-R-R carrot. Lady finger. Let Y lady. Finger. Lady finger. In H spinach. Okay, so do you eat vegetables? Yes or no? You eat vegetables? Yes? Okay. Now see the spellings. So this work you are going to do in your EVS notebook. Okay? And babies, you can write down. You can make these pictures in this blank page. You can make all these pictures. Okay, if you want to, and color them nicely. And you have to write here, draw or paste the pictures. Okay, if you want to draw the pictures, you can draw like this, or if you want to paste the picture, if you have the picture, you can paste it. Okay, and I will show you some vegetables. Okay, now tell me, what are these green leafy things? What are they? They are spinach. They are spinach. Okay, spinach. Okay, now what is this? Your favorite vegetable? What do we call it? Lady finger. They are lady finger. Okay, now see. What is this? Tomato. See me the spelling. To, met, o, tomato. These are peas. Okay. These are peas. Muttered. Okay. Can you see? If I'll open it, you can find these pea pods. Okay. Onion and potato. Okay. Now can you see what is this? They are brinjals. Can you see the crown here? Yes, they are brinjals. And we have got beans also here. So these are beans. They are called French beans, and they are some other kind of beans. Okay, so they are beans. And which vegetable rabbit like to eat? This is a carrot. Yes. Do you like to eat it? Yes. Okay, very good. So they are vegetables. They are very healthy and we should eat it. Okay. Now, from your book, The Little Explorer, open it. Open the page number 98. Page number 98. And see how many vegetables are there. There are so many vegetables. Read what is written here. These are the pictures of some vegetables with their plants. So which vegetable is this? This is a cauliflower. Okay, this is a cauliflower. Sorry, this is cabbage. This is cabbage. Okay, and this cabbage. This is cabbage plant. Okay, and this is capsicum plant. Do you eat capsicum? Yes or no? Okay. And what is this? This is a corn plant. Corn plant. Okay, this is tomato plant. Cauliflower plant. Okay, cauliflower plant. Brinjal plant. This is brinjal. Okay, now this is carrot plant. This is pumpkin. A big pumpkin. This is cucumber plant. And this is potato plant. Do you see potato comes as a root? Okay. And this is pea plant. And this is onion plant. Okay. This is onion plant. This the long leaves are like this. Okay. And now open the next page. This page. Okay, babies. So read the instruction. Look at the pictures. Match each vegetables to its plant by drawing a line. So you will draw a line here. Which plant is this? Which vegetable is this? This is capsicum, and capsicum will go with the capsicum. Where is capsicum? Okay, here it is. This is capsicum plant. So you will take a pencil and you will match it with its right picture. This is cabbage. Where is cabbage? This is cabbage plant. So you have to match it with its plant. Cucumber. Cucumber, where is cucumber? It is hanging here. So match it here. This is cauliflower. The last picture is cauliflower. So match it with the pencil. And this is potato. Where is potato? Here you can see the first picture is potato. So draw a line here. Okay. Now, so babies, you have to write down today's date also here. Okay. Now, in the next picture, you have to write down the vegetables plant. Name of the, okay. Just read what is written here. Look at the pictures of each vegetables and write the name of its plant. Look at the vegetables and we have to write down their name of the plant. Okay. So which plant is this? This is a corn. So what is the spelling? Corn, corn plant. C-O-R-N, corn plant. Corn plant. This is brinjal plant. Brinjal plant. This is tomato plant. Tomato, tomato plant. Tomato plant. This is peas plant. Peas, peas, plant. Peas plant. Onion, O-N-E-I-O-N, onion plant. Okay, we know the spellings of the vegetables. And what is the spelling of plant? P and L becomes pl, ant. Ant. Plant, plant. Okay. So, babies, these two pages you are going to do in your Little Explorer book B. Okay. So, promise me you will eat lots of green vegetables. Yes? Okay, babies. So, this is all for today. Have a nice day.